that Miniso brush is and I know Miniso brush is what is wrong. Also, okay. Hope you all are doing well and are safe at. Like don't settle in your butt cracks. Welcome back to my and bought that for now the another. Every time I speak, this man outside my house starts talking. I don't know who is he talking to because he's alone. Really?
अभी देख मेरे पे मस्त लाइट्स आ रही है, लेफ्ट वाले पे अच्छी लाइट्स आ रही है।
मैं अभी भी सुंदर ही लग रहा हूँ, ठीक है?
सुंदर लग रहा है तो उधर जैसा फोटोशूट चल रहा है उधर जाकर।
Anyways, this is like a car haul and Geo because of course you don't want to stink. Then
because
I have
Manasi always stinks, you know guys.
He knows I smell so
she
good.
She just farted now 2 minutes back. She just farted.
Oh, chalo kahan se?
I want to do hers today and on Bhakti's wedding. She's going to do mine.
You're not supposed to say Bhakti's wedding. We have not told Mau fam. Test shot 1, 2, 3. Phew! अभी बराबर हाइट है. Pajamas, not the pajama. One, two, three. I hate this. Ugh. It's not Manasi, it's Manasi. Nonsense. I would say you're talking shit, Manasi. This is what happens when you don't like write proper script. You blabber. Color? I kid you not, I can smell like sev puri, pani puri, some chaat. Did I eat chaat and drop on it? Is there a rat in my house? Yaar, why are these clothes smelling like this? Puran poli just khaya maine. It's stuck. And there is no water in the house. Oh! Hi you guys. So I just realized editing. ये नाड़ा क्यों लटक रहा है भैया? Okay, as I was saying, I just realized कि मेरे पास outro है ही नहीं. मैंने just finish किया editing and I'm like outro नहीं है and camera is in my studio and I'm too lazy to go to my studio and shoot this outro. So आपको 4K क्वालिटी नहीं मिलने वाली, आपको फ़ोन की क्वालिटी से चलाना पड़ेगा काम. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's so much fun. I know it's very short, but bloopers उतने ही मिलते हैं. And let me know if you want me to like start this blooper bash करके series because it's too much fun यार to watch bloopers and trust me हर वीडियो में मेरे को एटलीस्ट 3-4 ब्लूपर तो मिलते ही हैं. कुछ ना कुछ बकवास होती ही रहती है क्योंकि मैं वैसा थोड़ा अतरंगी इंसान हूँ. So yeah, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Control Uday, control. Subscribe, like, comment on both of my channels. सारे links description box में दे दिए हैं and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Until then, stay positive and stay happy.